Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is on the Poundland mugs. I found these in the homeware section in Poundland. They're really sturdy mugs. I only saw them in these two colours. My Poundland usually only has like white mugs or mugs with text on them. So when I saw them, I picked them up. What I'm going to be doing is putting some Oracle 651 on them, which is signed vinyl. So as you can see, I am putting mine on the so-called wrong side because I am a lefty, and the grey one I'm going to do on the correct side, so you can see how it would look together. So with this vinyl, because it is signed vinyl and the texture of the cup, once it's laid, it's fine. It's just placing it and putting it on. It will continue to lift until it's fully put on, and then it takes 72 hours for it to set onto the mug. So even though you see me lifting and pushing down, lifting and pushing down, don't worry about that too much, because after the 72 hours it will be fine on the mug. You can wash it, you can do what you want. I've seen some people put it in the dishwasher, but personally I do not suggest putting it in the dishwasher. A lot of people say it's fine after the dishwasher, but you know, if you want it to last longer, then obviously stay away from the dishwasher and just hand wash and make sure you dab dry and things like that once you've washed it. And just take your time when you are putting it on. Just push down as you pull the transfer tape up, push down the vinyl so it doesn't lift. But like I said, once it's laid down on the cup and it's set and dried and things like that, you wouldn't have no problem. So, or you shouldn't have no problem if it's placed down properly. Obviously you clean the area first with the alcohol wipes to make sure there's no fingerprints and oils, and yeah. And then that's pretty much it. I'll leave the link below for these vinyl stickers. So thanks for watching, and I hope you tune in for the next one.